good, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, early morning shenanigans. Gotta keep the car content rolling while it's warm outside, because at night it is way too cold. Little update. Yesterday, me and Mr. Payne threw this thing on an e50 tune. Just one step closer to going full e85, which is super exciting because the power gains just from a little bit of ethanol is insane. But yeah, right now we're gonna go meet up with some of the fast boys, and we got a twin turbo Mustang going against a boosted OBS truck. So the truck allegedly makes, I think, 800 to the wheels, and the twin turbo Mustang would say that thing makes some power. I don't know what agreements they made on power levels, if the Mustang's going on wastegate or if he's turning it all the way up. I don't know the full details. I'll get you guys those hopefully. And yeah, on our way to the streets of Mexico as we speak. This thing sounds so good. Likes that heat, man. Just so excited, you guys. But I will update you guys when we get there.
It's because it's a 2-3, and then in third gear.
Alright, y'all, so just met up. Boy, got a big ass turbo on that truck. But they agreed to a wastegate run to start, just to make it pretty even. And then from there, they'll probably turn it up and do other things. But I'll update you guys once that happens. We got Drew inside the car. My boy's gonna get me some in-car camera footage, and I'm gonna record what I can too, as safe as I can. But on our way to Mexico right now. Let's go. Alright guys, it is a few hours later, but they got some good runs in. The Mustang stood on wastegate, was misfiring a little bit, but he said that ain't an excuse. He still got super good runs in.
At the stop sign,
And the truck,
onto right road, then turn left.
I can't remember what he said, but all in all, they got some pretty good runs in. It was a pretty even race. And yeah, after that, on the way back, I got some runs in with the Mustang, and I'll put the clips below. But it was good runs. He kept it on wastegate for me, and like, I'm only on a e50 tune. We're gonna go full e85 and turn it up more, but I feel like the car did pretty good. I'm pretty proud of where it's at. It's just insane to think what this thing's gonna do with the big old turbo on it. So I'm super excited for the future. But all in all, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. On my way to run some errands. But until the next one, peace out, like and subscribe, and thank all you guys for the support. Later.